Hi, I'm Mohammad Nabil. I'm a shift engineer at Digital Realty. I start my shift by reviewing handover notes and checking the status of all critical systems to ensure no ongoing issues. Throughout the day, I monitor alarms, perform routine inspections, and respond quickly to any alerts of incidents. I coordinate with the vendor for maintenance activities and ensure all work follows safety and operational procedures. Before handover, I update logs and communicate system status clearly to the next shift to ensure continuity. During a critical incident involving a sudden power fluctuation, our team responded immediately to stabilize the system and prevent any downtime. We worked together to identify the root cause, rerouted power safely, and closely monitored the environment until everything was fully stable. Because of the quick coordination, we avoided service impact and maintained uptime for our customers. Digital Realty invested in my professional development through the ITE Work Study Diploma program, which built a strong foundation in data center operations and safety. Through hands-on training, mentorship, and real shift exposure, I was able to apply my learning in a live environment. The transition to full-time employment showed the company's trust in my growth and capabilities. My key learning has been the importance of discipline, teamwork, and continuous learning in maintaining world-class data center operations.